At first glance, this small, furry creature might seem ordinary. Round body, twitching whiskers, sharp front teeth. It looks like a rodent, perhaps a marmot or a chinchilla. But looks can be deceiving, because this is no rodent. This is the hyrax, a living paradox of evolution. A creature more closely related to elephants and manatees than to any small mammal on land. There are roughly 6 or 7 species of hyraxes known today. They inhabit rocky cliffs and dry savannas across Africa and the Middle East. They may appear harmless, but their calls echo through the wilderness with piercing intensity. Some live solitary lives among trees. Others form tight-knit colonies on sun-baked stone. They feed on leaves, bark, and insects, the simple diet of survivors. Yet beneath their quiet existence lies a biology full of extraordinary secrets. Hyraxes are creatures of the sun. They spend hours basking in daylight, not out of laziness, but necessity. Their bodies struggle to maintain heat. The warmth of the morning sun becomes their lifeline. And when they climb, they do so with uncanny skill. Their feet act like suction pads, aided by muscular control and natural gland secretions, allowing them to cling to cliffs where few mammals dare tread. Their teeth tell another strange story. At first glance, they seem fit for gnawing, like those of rats or beavers, but in truth, their incisors are tiny tusks. They use them not for chewing, but for display, and even for grooming. To eat, they must turn their heads sideways, grinding food with molars that once reminded scientists of horses and rhinos. Inside, their digestive system is just as curious. A multi-chambered stomach ferments food using microbes, much like in cows. Through decades of anatomical and genetic research, scientists discovered that hyraxes belong to a mysterious clade called Piangolata, meaning almost ungulate. This group unites 3 unlikely families: the elephants, the sea cows, and the hyraxes themselves. Their origins trace back more than 65 million years to the age when mammals began to rise after the fall of the dinosaurs. Yet, even now, we cannot fully untangle their family tree. Some evidence suggests the hyrax branched off first. Other data hint that sea cows or elephants came before. Genetic clues point in all directions, an evolutionary puzzle without a single, certain answer. Scientists call this rare event a hard polytomy, when several species emerge from one ancestor almost simultaneously. Today, the hyrax clings to cliffs and basks beneath the African sun. It appears small, simple, even comical, but its blood, its bones, and its DNA tell a story that stretches across continents and epochs. A story of survival, of adaptation, of a creature that looks like a mouse, yet carries the legacy of giants. The hyrax, a humble reminder that in nature, the greatest mysteries often come in the smallest forms.